in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or switch to dark mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select personalization on the left panel. And then on the right side, go down and select colors. And then versus choose your mode, click the drop down and then select dark. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.